Hi class, welcome to week 2. We are now going to begin to talk about the nature of science within our nutrition course and understanding the scientific method. And so as you can see here, I've rearranged your weeks. We're going to start off with week 2. And so we're going to take a look in week 2 and then I want to explain to you the 72-hour food diary. So as we go into week 2, a couple things here that are really important. Go ahead and watch this TED Talk. I think you'll really enjoy it by Michael Spector. It definitely highlights our view of science in general. And I think it's really telling, especially given a lot of the controversy that we've seen lately politically, evaluating what we believe to be a scientific fact and what we identify as a possible fiction. And so that would be a great place to start. Here is the chapters that you're supposed to be reading. So in this week, you have a few chapters to read out of Smart Healthy Choices. This will closely correlate with the lecture that I've provided for you on the scientific method. And so I think you'd be best off doing your readings and then listening to the video on the scientific method. The only real assignment you have for this week in this area is understanding reliable information. And this is right out of chapter 1. And this is one of the activities to re-highlight you to a lot of the different types of design as far as scientific research goes and what we do in the science of nutrition. And so again, these activities are really designed to refocus your brain back on what were some of the key highlighting points out of a chapter, and particularly in this case about scientific literature and understanding research. Let's go to your first assignment, and that would be your 72-hour food diary. Now, you'll notice that all of your stuff is always in a weekly folder, but in this case, you'll notice that I have moved this assignment out of a weekly folder. The reason I've done this is you can see it that it spans 2 weeks. It is listed here, but it's not due till the 10th of September. And because of this, I went ahead and pulled it out of the folder so you always had clarity on where to find it when you have to go submit it. And of course, as you know, this is a hyperlink submission portal. And so let's go ahead and open up this assignment and see what it's about. Okay. So the purpose of this assignment is for you to really evaluate why you eat what you eat when you eat it. And I think that's really important. A lot of people treat food like it's a mindless activity, and really at the end of the day, we have a lot of thoughts, feelings, emotions, cultural behaviors that surround why we eat food and when we eat that food. But the reality is, and what we learned in chapter 1, is that food contains essential nutrients. It contains the energy we need to produce ATP so we can live, and it contains the essential nutrients we need in order to continue to function. And without those nutrients, we die of a deficiency of that nutrient, or we die from lack of energy. And so that's really the main purpose of food. And of course, in our society, food has become much bigger than that. So with this assignment, you're evaluating food and your relationship. And so one of the things you're going to need to do for this is you're going to use your diet analysis tool within Connect. And I've posted a video. I'll take you to it in 2 seconds to show you how to do that and how to create that. You do need to use your diet analysis tool. It is what you use for this assignment. It is far more robust than a MyFitnessPal or any of those. So you do need to record your food every day. When I say record, I mean measuring it down to its finite measurement. And I say this because many people think, well, I had a bowl of cereal in the morning. Well, is that a bowl meaning the size of the bowl you had, or was it due to the measurement on the back of the box? So most cereal runs anywhere from 1/4 to a cup is considered a serving size of that cereal. Your bowl may be 3 cups. And so it's important to measure the food and then record why you're eating and what you have going on during each one of these times that you eat. And so was there social pressure, for example? You know, did your friends say, oh, we really want to go out for pizza, and yet you would plan to make a healthier choice that day? Are you really hungry? It's often reported that people eat without even being hungry out of boredom, out of just thinking they should. And so these are the types of questions you're checking in with yourself on. You are going to run reports in your diet analysis, you're going to print all reports or save all reports, and you're going to go ahead and attach it to this assignment when you submit it. You can do multiple attachments in Blackboard. Once you get all your reports, you're going to then evaluate your reports. How are you eating to compare to current recommendations? And then you're going to write a summary about that assignment. If you have questions on this, please let me know. It is due September 10th, and again, it's going to take a few days, and you do need to input your food every single day. You can't record your food for 3 days and then go put it in. It doesn't work in the system. So let's get over here and let's look at how to set that up. So under this and that, we'll go into McGraw-Hill Connect as we usually do. And right here you see a video saying accessing your diet analysis tool. This video will show you how to set it up. It's super straightforward and shouldn't be a problem, but go ahead and watch this video to make sure that you get it set up correctly, and then you can begin your assignment. And so I hope you enjoy week 2 and the lecture that's associated with it, and I will see you soon.